Hello and welcome to my first yoga class that I'm recording. I'm very happy that you're watching and I hope you will enjoy. So today's class is gonna be about the playing around, about holding the breath, doing breath retentions, also to increase the oxygen and releasing all this carbon dioxide that we will even purposely building up. So I explain it to you. So when you, for example, do more exhausting physical exercise, you kind of tend to breathe less, and even some people they breathe less in general because they don't really breathe in fully and deeply. And this is causing carbon dioxide in the body. So it will be also important to release this in the end. So when it builds up, to release. And so it doesn't get stuck. Because when it gets stuck, it's like even less oxygen can be transported to our cells, which is important for us. So all our body functions properly, for all the body functions and the cells needed for the rejuvenation. So anyway, but what happens if we actually consciously, purposely increase the CO2 level? So by doing breath retentions, right? So it will cause actually to will bring more blood to our brain and our heart. It allows more air to enter our lungs. It also calms the nervous system, and, which is actually very, very interesting to know, it reduces your need and craving for heavy, processed and acid food. So in general, you could even say like old patterns that you have, it changes these old patterns because it's something that the body is not used to doing, and you kind of train the body that these old conditioned patterns, they don't have to stay there, like there can be actually new ones. Like for the survival, it's not needed anymore to go with these old patterns. So this is what we're going to train. So we're going to do a mix of some dandals. So dandals are physical exercises, and which is very typical for physical exercises. For these kind of physical exercises, you don't need any weights, and you just need your body weight, or you can even imagine that you're pushing a weight. And so the breath is also very special. So you kind of breathe out through the mouth, but you're gonna keep your mouth shut in some way and just kind of slide it out like this, and it sounds very funny. So, and usually in yoga, you always breathe through the nose, so not through the mouth. So this will be just the only part where we are also allowed to breathe through the mouth, as prana energy enters through the nostrils. So I'm gonna show you first how you do a cleansing breath before we actually start, so you actually know how to do it and I don't have to explain while we do the flow so much. So the cleansing breath, I will show you, means to fully exhale all the oxygen out of the body. So in this case I show you, put it in and so I was just pushing out the last breath out while crouching down, and even I was thinking I already breathed out fully, I just kind of pushed it out even more and more till I could not do it anymore. So this is the cleansing breath. So this is how you get rid of the carbon dioxide. And additionally, what I haven't mentioned yet, The carbon dioxide, the cleansing breath, helps you when you do all these physical exercises to actually get more oxygen in again, as I actually also mentioned. So when you are tired from some exercise, you definitely have to do the cleansing breath in this moment. Do it even yourself. You don't have to do it only when I tell you. You can do it anytime. And 3 times is the most effective. So you can even just do 1, but like 3, more than 3 doesn't make sense, because after this everything is replenished again, so you don't have to do any more.